Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Valdosta. I make lifetime and nursing related videos because I'm a nursing major. If you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and if you don't, that's totally fine. I'm just a normal girl doing normal things, and sometimes that can be kind of boring. Well, today I am recording the third video. I know I was gonna wait to record this video, but I was gonna open it, and I was like, I told you guys I was opening it with you guys. So it's been like 3 weeks. Now I'm probably taking this 3 weeks to not even record because all the videos are being edited this weekend. And I'm probably gonna schedule them post so that I don't even have to think about YouTube for this next 3 weeks. I might even try to pop out another video so I can have the whole month. Anyway, boom. This is the entire pack. It was $168.99 at Valdosta State Bookstore. After orientation, we got like 4 hours for them to measure us, for us to pay, all that good jazz. I'm just about to open it up. Boom. Okay, so this is what comes in here. Keep in mind, for the pre-nursing majors at Valdosta State that are watching this video, and hopefully there's a lot of you, because the reason I am being so strong and the reason I was so opinionated in my first video coming back to school is because I need this information out there. Like, I went to YouTube and I looked up Valdosta State Nursing and nothing came up, so that's why I'm making sure I get this information out there. Anyway, this is, I should say, a blood pressure cuff. I don't want to open it, but I think it's the whole thing. I'm gonna open it. Is there a way to open it without tearing the box? I think it's the whole thing and not just the cuff. Ooh, it comes in a little bag, has little instructions. I'm not gonna take them out, but there's little instructions in there. Little bag. And like I said, I think this is the cuff and the pump. Yes, cuff and pump, all in here. Let's see what else is in here. Please keep in mind, I may not be able to name all this stuff because I haven't used it. I am showing you the raw footage of me taking it out of the bag. I haven't anything, you know. So this is a catheter tray. Ooh, it doesn't open, so I'm not gonna take it out of the box. But this is a catheter tray. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Oh, is there 2 of them? There is 2 of them. Look at that. 2 catheter trays. Let's see. Whoa, is this an IV bag? Whoa. I think this is an IV bag. What's in it? For instructional use only, not for human or animal injection. 250 milliliters of 0.9% sodium chloride. Instructional use only, so we'll not be messing with that at all. Unless instructional use, you know. Okay, so we have 3 IV starter kits, and I guess this is the CONTINU-FLO from the IV. I'm guessing, these are guesses, raw footage here. But yeah, those are those. Wound care tray. Oh, wound care tray. We have 2 of those. This is the last thing. It is a kit packing. What? Oh, this is the list of what's inside of this bag, and it opens, so we're gonna experiment with that. Let me put these back in here. Here is a kit, and there's a packing list in the front. So, I don't know if you guys can see much from that side. Okay, so there's 2 2-inch papers, Surg tape. reusable Penlight black, a Penlight. This is like the Penlight from like the YouTube videos. If you're not on YouTube watching this video, but this is like, it opens. I'm opening it. This is a nice Penlight. Okay, click. Okay, now. Oh, it had a lid. I guess I didn't actually click on it. Penlight. That is really cool to me. That is so cool to me. Why is that so cool to me? I don't know. But we get a Penlight. Kelly Corset 5.5 inch. Bandage Sissors 5.5 inch. Cottonwood app, and it says 2S. 8-inch extension. CPR Keychain Mask black. Adhesive Foley discriminate device. I should have figured those, and I'm guessing they're in there. Okay guys, so as I was packing all that stuff, I kind of realized what I want to do with these videos. So this video is going to be edited today, but the cupcake chat for this video is going to be in real time. So even though this video is uploaded or recorded like possibly 3 weeks in advance, you guys will then see this cupcake chat that is coming up, and it's going to be recent. It's going to be my recent feelings, the way I feel. So this video, there's probably going to be a real-time cupcake chat at the end of that too. So the videos are probably going to be something exciting like this, and then something like not so exciting or something more serious, like if I had a breakdown, or if I talked to a teacher, or if I had an exam. So you guys will get real life stuff like that. That's what cupcake chat is for. I'm gonna set up my mic and everything over here, maybe, because it's not set up how I thought it was gonna be set up or how I remember it being set up, so I have to kind of work with it, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I'll let you guys go to cupcake chat. Hey guys, so I want to go ahead and just record the cupcake chat portion of this video. Hi guys, this is the cupcake chat. The main portion of the video is over, and then for the next 3 to 5 minutes, I'm just going to talk about where I currently am in my nursing program. So this is the start of week 5. It is Sunday, September 19th. It is actually 5:28. I just finished studying today. Last week, I had 2 tests. I'm not going to tell you guys what I made on those tests because I have a video all about that. But I did good. And then, this week we have a pharmacology test, and then, we get information for health assessment and fundamentals. Well, actually, we were supposed to get information last week for fundamentals, but we didn't get that information, and it wasn't uploaded yesterday morning, so I guess she uploaded it yesterday night, and then I didn't get to it today because now I have to go to chapter, which I wish I could get it to it today, but you know, responsibilities and things like that, I have to like take priority sometimes. But yeah, I am feeling okay. I guess the more stuff gets piled on, the more I have to buckle down, kind of thing. Who is laughing so freaking loud? I don't understand. Anyway, yeah. So, I actually made a little to-do list of what I did today. So I'll show you guys. This half of the board, I don't know what all that is, but this half of the board is what I did today. I made a pharmacology Quizlet. That took forever. That took way longer than I thought. Then I did my Foley catheter check off, like I ran through it. And then I did the Pharm Quizlet. I actually studied it. I think that was really good. Like, I feel like I really understand some of these things now. And then I figured out, like how I said last week, we didn't get the information. Like, I had to figure out, like, what exactly am I supposed to be studying? Because she gave us the information, or she gave us more information for what we're going to do this week than what we needed from last week. So I figured all that out, and then I went over the Foley catheter check off again because that's tomorrow. And then I was gonna go over farm again, but it's already 5:30 and I have to change, eat, all that good stuff. So that is what I am about to do. But I want to go ahead and give you guys a kind of closing of this video. That's about it. I'm not really stressed as much as I was this morning, like specifically about pharmacology, because I did not know how that was gonna go. But I actually feel really good about it after like getting down and studying it. So I know the information's in my head, and tomorrow we're gonna get the information to stick. So yeah, I have to do a lifestyle video for you guys, because I asked you guys if y'all wanted that video about my grades first or a lifestyle video first, and you guys said lifestyle. So I have to figure out what kind of lifestyle video y'all want. Maybe like something sorority related, or maybe something not sorority related. I'll ask you guys. I don't know what the not sorority related thing would be. Maybe a nighttime routine, because I don't think you guys ever see me at night versus in the morning. Or maybe my cleaning routine, but I do that in the morning on Sundays, and y'all have seen that before, so I don't know. But that's all I got for you guys. If you like, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you don't, that's totally fine. I'm just a normal girl doing normal things, and sometimes that can be kind of boring. If you like, you can head over to Twitch and follow my boyfriend. I'll put his @ down below. And I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.